Hi everyone and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. Today we're making diner style home fries. Home fries are a great addition to any breakfast. Now you can customize this recipe. If you don't want the skin on your potatoes, just peel them first. We're gonna add in onions. If you want to add in peppers, you can do that as well. So let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. For the home fries, we are going to need 1.5 pounds of potatoes. Make sure you wash them first. 2 tablespoons of oil, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 medium onion diced, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, and salt and pepper to taste. Once you have your potatoes washed, if you want them peeled, go ahead. You're gonna wanna cut them into about a 1/2 inch cube, just like that. Now get a pot of boiling water on, and we're gonna put these in for about 2 minutes. So let's head over to the stove. Once our water comes into a boil, we're gonna generously season with some salt. We're gonna take our potatoes, we're gonna put them in, and we're gonna let them go for about 2 to 3 minutes. We just want them to soften up. After 2 minutes, we're gonna strain these and we're gonna let them cool down for about 5 minutes. And while those are cooling down, we're gonna start working on the onions. Now for our onions, we're gonna take half of our butter and we're gonna get it melted. And once that's melted, we're gonna toss in our onions. We're gonna cook these up till they're translucent. It's gonna take about another minute. Our onions are looking great. We're gonna transfer these into a separate bowl and we're gonna heat up the oil and the rest of the butter. And then we're going to put the potatoes in. Once the butter is melted, we're going to go in with our potatoes. Get those nice and flat. Then we're going to go in with the rest of our onions. Now we're going to cook these for about 5 minutes. We don't want to stir them. We want to build a nice crust on the outside. And after 5 minutes, we're going to give them a toss. Now we're going to generally season these with some salt, a little bit of black pepper, our garlic powder, and our paprika, and give them a toss. You can most definitely do this with a spatula. And those are looking very nice. I'm just going to set them down, get them nice and flat, and we're going to let them go for about another 3 to 5 minutes and build a crust on the rest of them. Alright, these look perfect. They're golden brown. Now let's head back to the cutting board and plate these up. Now to plate this up, you're going to want to start by putting your eggs on the plate. The potatoes are a little bit easier to move around than the eggs. We're just going to go in with our nice helping of our home fries. That looks good right there. Now you can serve it with any eggs you want and some toast. Now let's pan out and get a taste of this. Alright, let's taste these. They're perfectly crispy. They're beautifully seasoned. The onions add a nice little pop of flavor. They're really delicious. I hope you try these next time you make breakfast. Sure to win anybody over. Thanks for stopping in. If you like what we're doing, you can also check us out on Facebook and Instagram at HomeHeadChef. If you'd like to support the channel, swing on over to our Patreon account. We'll see you there. Have a good one.